The Philips Hue Go is a great way to add a portable light to your smart home ecosystem. The Go is a small yet powerful light that can be used either plugged in or on the go with a built-in battery that provides up to 3 hours of use. The Go can either use Bluetooth or a Philips Hue bridge to control brightness, color, and color temperature from 2000 to 6500 kelvins. The Go puts out light at 520 lumens at maximum brightness, which isn't super bright. It's really just to be used as a mood light or to add a splash of color to your room. If you're interested in buying a Philips Hue Go, I have affiliate links in the description below. The Go is bowl-shaped and compact, yet really well designed. It can lay flat, pointing straight up on its back, or it also has a foot that allows you to set it at an angle. It looks good pointed forward or backwards so you can shine light out or reflect it off a wall or corner. The plug on the side allows you to swivel the cord out of the way when it's plugged in. To set the Hue Go up, you just plug the cord into the Go and plug the power adapter into a receptacle. Then get on the Philips Hue app and go to the Lights section. Click the plus sign in the top right. With the Hue bridge, it's compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. These services allow you to create scenes and automations and set routines using this light. Also, if you want to have any kind of away from home controllability, you'll need the Hue bridge to connect it remotely. The Hue app works really well and it allows you to control a whole room's worth of lights at one time. I love how it's so easy to change the scene and to create an instant mood across the room with all your fixtures being synced to one another. One really cool feature with the Go is the button on the back. This comes in handy if you're using it on battery power or you don't want to use your phone or a different device to control what the Go does. You can press the button on the back in different ways to activate different settings. If you press the button one time, it turns the light on. If you keep pressing the button, it'll switch through preset scenes like candle, reed, or different solid colors. Next, press 2 times and hold. If you hold your finger on the button the second time you press it, the Go starts to show different colors. Once the desired color is found, simply release your finger and it locks that color in. If you press the Go for 2 seconds, the Go goes into standby mode. Here, it remains in battery mode and is ready to be remote controlled for about 12 hours. If you press the button for 10 seconds, the Hue Go is completely switched off. This is useful if you want to save battery life for later. So the Go is a really cool lamp, but we gotta talk price. It comes in at $90, which doesn't seem like a super good deal for what it is. Now granted, it works really well. It's seamless going from battery power to mains powered, and it's perfectly integratable with the rest of the Philips Hue ecosystem, but it's just kind of hard to swallow spending $90 for a smart light like this, unless you already have all your other smart home, your smart switches taken care of. The light is really cool though, because it works great on the battery power. So if you need to temporarily relocate it to a coffee table or a side table, or if you want to take it to your back porch in the evening or something like that, then having that battery power can come in handy to have just a cool looking little lamp. We've got to acknowledge that Philips Hue definitely charges a premium for their lights, but I think they make some of the best high quality lights with the whites and the colors all just looking so vivid and clear. I've used smart lights from several other brands, but I always find myself coming back to Philips Hue because of the ease of setup and the quality of their lights. To me, the Go is just the kind of light that you should save for later on in your smart home journey. First, you should buy all the smart switches and bulbs you need for all your existing fixtures in your home, and then buy fixtures like the Go just to add accent color throughout your house. Hue also has the Iris and Bloom as other alternative lamps to this. They all have a slightly different look and slightly different features. The Go is the only battery-powered Philips Hue light, while the Iris has a larger, more unique look, and the Bloom is smaller and simpler. I would probably pick the Go over the Bloom just because it's only $10 more expensive and then you get that added battery functionality. I also think the bowl shape of the Go looks a little bit cooler than the Bloom. But to me, the Iris is definitely the coolest looking of the 3 lights, though it's the most expensive and the biggest, so you have to have space to use it. So in conclusion, the Go is a great Philips Hue light offering portability, battery power, and the quality Philips Hue experience. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other Philips Hue reviews. And if you're interested in buying the Go or any of the other Philips Hue lights in this video, check the links in the description below.